Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Resident Evil 4 with controller step by step. Start by connecting your controller and testing inputs in the main menu to verify responsiveness. Open the control settings and choose the preset that feels natural, then adjust sensitivity for aiming and camera movement. Lock in button mapping for actions like reload, melee, and inventory so muscle memory forms quickly during tense encounters. Dialing sensitivity is crucial for consistent aim and headshots. Start with moderate camera sensitivity and lower aim sensitivity, then tweak in small increments after testing in combat. Practice tracking moving targets to find a balance that fits your reflexes. Remember to save profiles if your controller app allows it, so you can switch between relaxed exploration and intense firefights without reconfiguring everything each session. In this video, I will explain how to play Resident Evil 4 with controller step by step. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks, so consider darn tough for comfort and a lifetime warranty. I find it helps during long gaming marathons. If you found this useful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Customizing button mapping reduces mistakes in high-pressure moments. Put critical actions like dodge and reload on bumpers or paddles if available, and keep inventory access on a single button or long press to minimize menu time. Try both hold versus toggle aiming to see which matches your playstyle, and test melee placement so you can counter close threats without losing aim. Small changes yield big improvement in survival.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.